What if I told you there's a waterfall where half the water vanishes into a hole, and no one knows where it goes? Welcome to Devil's Kettle, nature's most baffling riddle. Hidden within the rugged terrain of Judge Cr. Magney State Park in northern Minnesota lies one of nature's most baffling phenomena, the Devil's Kettle. This enigmatic waterfall, part of the Brule River, has captivated scientists, adventurers, and tourists for decades because of its unique and mysterious feature. A portion of the river vanishes into a deep hole and seems to disappear entirely. The question remains, where does the water go? The setting. A natural wonder. The Devil's Kettle is located along the Brule River, a picturesque waterway that flows through the lush forests and rocky landscapes of northeastern Minnesota. The river splits as it approaches the waterfall, creating two cascades. One side plunges down a conventional drop, continuing its journey downstream. The other side flows into a large, gaping pothole, aptly named the Devil's Kettle, and seems to vanish without a trace. The pothole was formed over centuries by water and debris eroding the volcanic rhyolite rock common in the area. What makes the Devil's Kettle so intriguing is that no one knows exactly where the water goes after it plunges into the hole. Despite numerous studies and experiments, its final destination has eluded explanation, giving rise to speculation, myths, and scientific curiosity. Theories and experiments. Scientists and enthusiasts have long tried to unravel the mystery of the Devil's Kettle. Over the years, they've devised experiments to trace the disappearing water's path. One common method involves adding colored dyes or buoyant objects, like ping-pong balls, to the water entering the kettle. Surprisingly, these items have never reappeared downstream or anywhere else, leaving researchers scratching their heads. One of the prevailing theories is that the water flows into an underground network of caves or fissures in the bedrock. However, this idea raises questions because the region's geology, rhyolite rock, is not typically porous enough to support extensive cave systems. Another possibility is that the water eventually re-emerges downstream, blending seamlessly with the main river in a way that has so far evaded detection. In recent years, advanced technologies like sonar mapping and dye tracing techniques have been proposed to solve the riddle. Scientists have suggested that the water may not actually disappear into a vast underground network but instead flows into smaller, more complex fissures before resurfacing in the river. The myth and fascination. The Devil's Kettle's mysterious nature has also fueled legends and local folklore. Some stories suggest that the kettle is a portal to another world, while others claim it's a bottomless pit that leads to the Earth's core. Such tales add an air of intrigue, making the site a popular destination for curious travelers and thrill-seekers. For visitors, the allure of the Devil's Kettle isn't just about solving the mystery. It's about experiencing the awe of nature's unexplained wonders. The trail leading to the falls offers breathtaking views, and the sound of rushing water creates an almost hypnotic ambiance. The juxtaposition of the river's two diverging paths, one ordinary and the other extraordinary, enhances the site's surreal quality. The scientific breakthrough in 2017, researchers with the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, DNR, offered a plausible explanation for the Devil's Kettle mystery. Using flow measurement techniques, they found that the volume of water flowing above the falls matches the volume measured below, suggesting that the missing water eventually rejoins the Brule River. While this finding diminishes the notion of a vast underground cavern or secret waterway, it doesn't fully explain how the water navigates through the kettle and back to the river. The precise mechanics of this process remain unknown, leaving room for further investigation and wonder. Environmental significance. Beyond its mystery, the Devil's Kettle serves as a reminder of the power and complexity of natural forces. The Brule River and its surroundings support diverse ecosystems, from fish and aquatic plants to larger animals like deer and bears. The waterfall itself plays a role in shaping the landscape, continually eroding and reshaping the rocky terrain. The site also underscores the importance of preserving natural wonders. As climate change and human activity threaten ecosystems worldwide, places like the Devil's Kettle highlight the need for sustainable conservation efforts. Conclusion. The Devil's Kettle remains one of Minnesota's most fascinating natural mysteries. While science has provided some answers, the waterfall's enigmatic nature continues to spark curiosity and inspire awe. It reminds us that even in an age of technological advancement, the natural world still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. For those who visit, the Devil's Kettle is more than just a geological oddity. It's a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown. Whether you're a scientist, an adventurer, or simply someone who marvels at the beauty of nature, this disappearing waterfall offers an unforgettable experience.